Because I'll tell you what, folks, when I put a property on the market, my phone rings off the hook. And I'm not going to spoil you and say it's because I just have so many buyers out there wanting to buy every house I put online. I'll let the other agents do that for you. You know who calls me? And I know everybody else gets the call too. And I was being tongue in cheek there with the other agents getting all the calls. This is who calls. A lot of escrow companies call. A lot of title companies call. Termite pest control companies call. Home inspection companies call. Retrofit companies call. Lots of what are those people? The virtual tour companies call. Online exposure companies call. Facebook ad companies, not from Facebook, but Facebook people that are building real estate ads, they call. Lots of marketers and advertisers trying to say, hey, we have the trick. We're going to have this property exposed better than you could possibly do on your own, but it's going to cost you X amount of dollars, so on. But that's who calls a lot